Hello. So today we're going to figure out how to untune a carburetor. So my uncle and dad tuned it so that it would use more fuel, but they wouldn't need this fuel injection thing. Now we bought the fuel thing in the last video, so now we have to go back on what they did. So yeah, we've got two cameras. We're going to watch a lot of YouTube and try to figure out what to do. I don't think I was recording. So we're doing a 1100. We're going to try to figure out now the part calibration and see if we can untune it. Yeah. So in this part of the clip, we're busy looking at YouTube videos on how to do it, because yeah. So we're busy watching that just together. We're watching this guy on YouTube do it. It's pretty interesting how to speed it up here, because yeah, we had to fully watch the video and see what to do. Yeah, so it wasn't much, it's just us watching the video for this little bit. So enjoy the little time lapse. One. Pull choke fully out and then start it. We did take this thing out quite a bit. My brother started it. Just wait. Yeah. Okay, go. Go again. Over. Good start. Do you want to just open the garage door? Okay, so I think we found the problem. Do you want to just start the car and keep it running? The next problem is that screw. Remember, if it's detuned, if it was tuned, it's both. So now we need to get that other one. Okay. It's no, Jake, that is not the right screw.
No, I'm telling you this one here.
No, a bit bigger.
We've got to look at the video. The thing's connected to a coil, right?
Oh, it is.
That's why I'm saying.
Okay.
I think it's that one.
How much must I untighten it by?
I don't know.
Oh wait, run the car. Just run the car with the choke all the way out. Do not rev it. My ears will blow up. You're not going to hear anything. I don't think that's it. Okay, let me just look.
Let me take
Same
a look.
screw?
Let me take a look.
Wait, what's...
Okay, learn how to use a wrench. Or what I don't know what that's called actually. How far did you untighten it?
You can't untighten, Jake, look.
No, not that one, the other one, no.
This is all it does.
The,
So how do you tighten?
the flat head.
Untighten and I was tightening it while you're running. I think put it at lowest thing. Where's my camera gone? Okay, put it at lowest. Put it just before it stalls.
Okay.
I'm gonna play with this until it stalls. Do not restart. Do not rev. My ears will combust. Let me just unscrew it 2 times.
No, there's something. No, we're missing something. Come out. Come.
Okay, try now. Watch this. Because the car was going...
There's something here.
No, but the car was going lower revs. Listen to this now. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna get to the lowest revs and then. Fiddling. Mechanic. We're doing mechanic. So I'm pretty sure if we just untighten that screw like.
Where's that flat screw going?
Jethro's hand.
Which screw are you adjusting?
That one.
Which one?
Earrings here.
And what have you done?
I've unscrewed like 4 rotates.